How to fix the 0x003C error on Steam. This error on Steam indicates required internet connection when you believe you are already connected. Try these troubleshooting steps. First of all, make sure your internet connection is working properly or connected to a stable network. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to a wire connection or reconnecting to the network. Also, check and unplug your router, wait a few seconds, and plug it back in to refresh the connection. Sometimes outdated network drivers can cause connectivity issues. Check for updates for your network adapter drivers. If the problem is not solved, completely close Steam and reopen it to check if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix the network related problems. Also, check firewall or antivirus software and disable your antivirus temporarily and check if Steam connects to the internet. And that's it. This is how you can fix 0x003C error on Steam. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.